Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from Extreme Terrain, and today I'm here with the Rough Country wheel-to-wheel Nerf sidestep bars fitting your 2018 and up Wrangler JL. This is going to be for the JL owner that is looking for a unique, affordable, and easy to install sidestep option that's going to change up the appearance of their Jeep. These not only look great on the Jeep, but they're also going to add some side protection as well. These are perfect for any Jeep owner that is looking to gain some ease of access to their vehicle, especially those of you that are lifted. Now, these are made of heavy-duty steel tubing and plating and have a solid one-piece construction with steps welded on. These steps have a perforated plate, and this is going to ensure that you have a firm foothold when you're stepping on there and you don't go slipping off. Now, these have a zinc base coat and they're finished off with a matte black powder coating. This is going to add to that aggressive styling. It's also going to protect your investment from the elements. These are very easy to install. They come with brand new hardware, and since they bolt directly onto the body, there's no drilling or modification required. These are not particularly ideal for the avid rock crawler, as they do hang down a little bit and can get caught on larger obstacles. These are going to be one of your most affordable options on the site at just around $350. I think this is a great option to go with considering the ease of installation, fitment, and not only that, they are made right here in the USA and have a great 3-year warranty. As far as installation goes, I'm going to give this a very easy 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, as you can install these in about an hour just using basic hand tools. Now with that being said, let's hop into the install. Tools we use for this install: 3/8 drive impact, 3/8 drive socket wrench, 13mm ratchet, 13mm socket 3/8 drive, 12mm socket 3/8 drive. Installation for these is relatively simple. You get all brand new hardware from Rough Country and they just bolt onto the body, so we don't have to do any drilling or modification. Now these are a long, awkward part, so I would recommend grabbing a friend. So I'm gonna get a friend to help me, and we're gonna install these with that brand new hardware. So you're gonna have a curved edge on the step that's gonna face towards the front. We're gonna start with the pinch weld hardware. You're gonna have these black bolts and each one is gonna get a nut. So we're gonna hold this up, pass them through these little brackets into the pinch weld, and then we'll bolt those on. Once you get all of the pinch weld bolts in, we're going to go ahead and do the bolts where they attach to the underneath of the body. So these are going to be these silver bolts. They have a washer built into them, so we're just going to screw those in and go down and get the other 2 in. Once you get all that hardware installed, we're going to tighten it up with a 12mm socket and wrench. We're going to start with these bolts here. So then we'll tighten the pinch weld bolts up. This is going to use a 13mm socket and 13mm wrench. Once you get this whole side installed and tightened up, you want to do the same thing for the other side. However, that's going to wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.